Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to copy a file list as text from Windows Explorer. Select Files. Hold Shift key, then right-click mouse button. Click Copy as Path. Open Notepad. Simply paste it. If you want, remove file path from Notepad using Replace. Click Edit tab, Replace. Replace with blank. Click Edit tab, Replace. Replace with blank. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.